The 2024 GMC infotainment system, found in models like the Yukon, Acadia, and Sierra, provides a touchscreen interface for navigation, audio, and vehicle controls. The system sometimes experiences glitches, such as touchscreen freezing or unresponsiveness, often due to software issues. There are two main reset types. A reboot, or soft reset, simply restarts the system without erasing any data. A factory reset restores the system to its original state, deleting all user data and settings. Touchscreen issues like freezing or unresponsiveness are often software-related and can be fixed with the resets we just discussed. Over-the-air updates are crucial for maintaining system stability and fixing bugs. Keeping your system up to date is the best preventative measure against glitches. To perform a reboot, hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. This is ideal for minor issues like app crashes. For a factory reset, go to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Factory Data Reset within the infotainment menu. Confirm the reset and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the system to reboot. Ensure the vehicle is in park with the engine off during this process. If touchscreen problems persist after a reboot, check for OTA updates under Settings and Software Update. If hardware calibration is the issue, a dealership visit may be necessary.